In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload files on GoDaddy step by step. Whether you want to upload an image, a PDF, a document, or any other file to your website, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If you're using GoDaddy's website builder and you're not sure where to upload files, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, sign into your GoDaddy account. Open your browser and go to godaddy.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right of the page and enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Next, click your profile name in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with different account options. From that drop-down, click on My Products. This is where you'll see all the products and services you have with GoDaddy, including your websites, domains, and hosting plans. Scroll down until you find the website you want to work on. Now, locate your website and click on Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder editor, where you can make changes to your site. Once you're inside the editor, choose the section where you want to upload a file. For example, if you want to upload an image, click on an Image section. If you want visitors to download a PDF or document, you can add a file download section or use a button that links to a file. Click directly on the section you want to modify so its editing options appear. After selecting the section, click Add or Replace. This will open the Media panel, which is where you manage images, files, and other media for your website. Inside the Media panel, look for the option that says Upload from your computer. Click on it to open your computer's file browser. Now choose the file you want to upload. This could be an image like a JPEG or PNG, a PDF document, a Word file, or other supported format. Select the file and click Open. The upload will begin immediately. Wait for the upload to finish. The time it takes will depend on the size of your file and your internet speed. Once the file has finished uploading, select it from the media library and insert it into your site. You should now see it attached to your image section, download section, or button. Finally, don't forget this important step. Click Save to make sure your changes are stored. Then click Publish to push the updates live on your website. If you don't publish, visitors won't see the new file on your site. And that's it. That's exactly how to upload files on GoDaddy. As you can see, the process is straightforward once you know where everything is located. You just sign in, open your website editor, upload your file through the Media panel, and publish your changes. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and easy-to-follow GoDaddy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.